Hello and welcome to the first video of the three-part i4designer tutorial. In this first part, I'm going to provide an overview of the control center and guide you through the process of creating a new i4designer project based on the i4SCADA platform. The control center is the management section of i4designer. It's also the first page you will see whenever you access the app. Here you can manage the lifecycle of your visualization project. You can create new projects or import them from existing archives, that is. You can also open existing projects, edit their names and descriptions, delete them, and of course export them as archived files on your computer. The right side of the control center is the newsfeed. You may want to keep an eye on it, as many useful blog posts and tutorials will be published consistently. Finally, the top menu gives you access to your i4designer profile, where you can change your user details. It also allows you to change your password and surely logouts. Let's go on and create a new project. We'll first give it a name, then select the platform we're targeting. i4designer works with both i4SCADA and i4Connected, with more platforms to come. But for the purpose of this video, we'll stick with the i4SCADA platform. The description will come in handy when dealing with a crowded control center, so use this field to your advantage. Upon clicking Submit, your new project will be presented in Control Center. Notice the red icon next to the project title. It's the i4SCADA icon, indicating that your project is targeting that specific platform. You can also double-check this by using the Platforms drop-down next to the search bar. Earlier, I've mentioned the platforms that i4designer projects can target. Creating a project for a platform means that your project will be automatically configured for the system that will run your visualization in the end. So by choosing the i4SCADA platform, i4designer will configure all available components to communicate with the appropriate i4SCADA services, and will tailor the deployment options accordingly. In the second part of this tutorial, we'll go over creating the actual visualization in our new project. Then we'll head into deploying the visualization on the i4SCADA platform. So stay with us for the next tutorial parts. Catch you in the next one.